Hi traders, let's look at EURUSD. Thanks for joining me in this analysis. On monthly time frame, what we can see that market has come to a Vata cluster moving average right here, and since then it has been falling. And that is not only the reason, we also have an extended W pattern which was finishing up right here. And we discussed that in the last week's analysis. If you haven't seen my previous analysis, go and check it out. There are a few reasons why we were actually monitoring this particular area, and we are still monitoring this because there are few opportunities which are available here. We managed to take three short positions in this region, and then there could be few more coming in next week or so. So if you haven't actually seen the full analysis, go and check it out. That should actually tell you why we were looking for that. Now if I just tell you, what we can see right now is that we have this W pattern finishing up around here, and this is the one that we were actually looking at. And I presented a few levels around here. I said when the market will come to this zone, highly accurate FCP zone, then the market was supposed to fall back down, and that's exactly how it happened. Market came, fell down, went for a retest into that zone, and this is what I mentioned in the last week, that if the market breaks through this 1.8243 level, then it was supposed to go back into that zone around 19220, and we were expecting a bearish momentum again because we had this W pattern completing right in that zone. So although this move was perfect, this was perfect, and we also expected this move to be perfect. So all these three trades were perfectly fine, and then we were expecting market to come down right here, but it started to reverse from 171.26 and created a divergence kind of setup right there. And if I bring in RSI, I think we had divergence. Yes, we had divergence, and that's what is also creating a double top kind of scenario in here. So since then, the market has been falling, and we were able to take short position here, and then another one around here on 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour, what you could see that market went in there and then started to fall down, and this is where we got up our confirmation to short, and then next confirmation came around here where we shorted from. And since then the market was falling, and I also mentioned to students and my fellow traders that the market could actually come to this cluster, water moving cluster here, and then it could start to move up, because what we can see here is that we also have an M pattern which was completing right there at that moving average right here. So since then the market has started to recover a little bit, and it is expected to go higher, because if we look that it can reach all the way back to this level of 18243, or it can go even higher to basically test this zone, because we have another W pattern completing around here. So we have something like this as well coming up like this. So that's quite a possibility. So we can take a long position as long as it starts to move higher from this particular level 8243. Sorry, we can take a long position until this, and if it actually breaks through that, then we are looking for further long positions once into this level, and then we can go for all long all the way to that level, to that zone, and then we can have a short position back again. And this is another possibility that market may just start to reverse from here and go all the way back to these levels which we identified in our previous analysis. But at the moment, because the market has completed the same pattern, I'm expecting it to move higher, and that means the DXY is supposed to come down a little bit, and other currency pairs can also follow this similar sort of suit. So this is my analysis on Euro USD. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you found this useful. Do not forget to watch the previous analysis for better in-depth analysis, top-down analysis. If you found this useful, then hit the like button, and in the comment section let me know what you think about this analysis. What is your opinion? And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.